Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, Chai Color Creations. Thanks for watching. I start by creating multiple rings. What I do is I repeat the same color pattern until the rings are large enough. I wanted the two center rings to overlap onto all three canvases, and then the two side rings start off from the angles and then kind of burst inwards. This was the first time that I've used gold leaf in this kind of setting. What we did is we waited for the paint to dry just a little bit, and then we added the gold leaf directly onto the paint. It acts as an adhesive, so we didn't add anything extra on it. It worked fairly well. Some of the flakes did come off a bit, but once we did an overcoat varnish, it kind of helped seal the gold leaf further. Initially, when we designed this painting, we had in mind a geode pattern, so we ended up buying some small stones that we super glued directly onto the canvas on the outer rings. Thank you so much for watching. It means a lot to me that you clicked on this video. If you enjoyed the video, definitely hit the like button and definitely subscribe if you want to get more content. Now you can check out my channel. I got some other videos that I've uploaded. I try to paint every single day, and I want to just share with you some of the cooler pieces that I create. So until next time, thanks again. Have a good one.